Take a look inside one of our healthcare renovation projects at Jumuia Hospital, Huruma, Nairobi, where Virgo Holdings Ltd successfully carried out renovation works on Theatre 4 and Theatre 5, including the installation of high-performance epoxy floor coatings. Scope of works included theatre renovation upgrades, seamless epoxy floor installation, surface preparation, floor finishing. Theatre fixture improvements, hygienic easy-to-clean flooring systems, durable medical-grade floor coatings. Our epoxy flooring solutions are ideal for hospitals and clinical environments because they are seamless, hygienic, anti-slip, easy to maintain, chemical stain resistant, durable for high-traffic medical areas, modern, professional in finish. At Virgo Holdings Ltd, we specialize in healthcare facility renovations, interior fit-outs, partitioning, construction services, and epoxy flooring solutions tailored for hospitals, laboratories, theaters, clinics, and commercial spaces. Project location: Jumuia Hospital, Huruma, Nairobi, Kenya. For more information, contact us today, 0722 524770, email us on info@virgoholdings.co.ke, visit our website on www.virgoholdings.co.ke, like, share, subscribe for more renovation, construction, and interior transformation projects by Virgo Holdings Ltd.
So hi sir. So what's going on here, and who are you in this whole thing?
I'm a contractor here. We have constructed theatres for Jumuia Hospital. We've constructed 2 theatres. Theatre on epoxy flooring. That is the best and recommended for theatres all over and for all hospitals.